Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix RCS Chat Not Supported. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Messages app, tap your profile icon, go to Settings, then tap General and make sure RCS Chat is enabled. If it says Not Supported, it could be a device or network issue. If it says Not Supported by your carrier, that's a carrier limitation. You can file a complaint, but you can't fix it yourself. If it's a device issue, start by opening the Play Store and installing carrier services. Then search for Google Messages and update it to the latest version. Next, open your phone settings. Go to Apps, select Default Apps, tap Messages, and choose Google Messages as the default messaging app. After that, return to Apps, find and open Google Messages, scroll down and tap Storage, and clear the cache. Once done, restart your phone. That's it for this video. Thanks.